Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade using just one lemon. It's a simple, refreshing drink perfect for any time. You will need 1 fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of water. Also, grab a small pitcher, a spoon, a knife, and a cutting board. Let's get started on this easy, homemade treat. First, roll your lemon firmly on a clean counter. This helps release all the juice inside. Next, carefully cut the lemon in half. Now, using your hands or a reamer, squeeze both halves directly into your pitcher. Be sure to catch any seeds that might fall in. You should get about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice from 1 average-sized lemon. Now it's time to sweeten things up. Add 2 level tablespoons of granulated sugar to the lemon juice in your pitcher. Then, pour in 1 full cup of cold water. Take your spoon and stir the mixture really well. Keep stirring until you can no longer see any sugar granules at the bottom, ensuring it's completely dissolved for a smooth taste. Before serving, give your lemonade a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add another half teaspoon of sugar and stir again. Pour your freshly made lemonade into a glass, and don't forget to add a few ice cubes for that perfect chill. For a nice touch, you can garnish it with a thin lemon slice or a fresh mint sprig. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.